What happens when Suzuki takes everything they know about motocross and cranks it up to 11? You get the 2026 RM-Z 1050, and trust us, this machine is a game changer. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're diving deep into Suzuki's most ambitious off-road creation yet. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just curious about what's new in the dirt bike world, stick around, this one's worth it. Design. Let's start with the design. Suzuki has completely reimagined the RM-Z aesthetic with sharper lines, a more aggressive stance, and a lightweight aluminum frame that shaves off significant weight without compromising durability. The championship yellow finish pops beautifully, and the ergonomics have been refined for better rider control during long sessions on the track. Performance. And now onto performance, and this is where things get exciting. The 1050cc engine delivers raw, exhilarating power that's surprisingly manageable. Suzuki's refined suspension system absorbs bumps effortlessly, and the throttle response is crisp and immediate. Whether you're tackling tight corners or launching off jumps, this bike responds with precision. Technology and features. Technology-wise, Suzuki hasn't held back. You've got multiple ride modes, traction control that actually works off-road, and a digital display that's readable in any condition. The quick shift system makes gear changes seamless, and the updated braking system inspires serious confidence. Conclusion. So, what do you think? Could the RM-Z 1050 be your next ride? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. If this review helped, smash that like button, share it with a fellow rider, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest, in-depth content. See you in the next one.